Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Ellen and I hope you will enjoy this video. Well, I'm so happy and excited that my channel has passed 500 subscriber milestone, and this is all from you guys, and I'm so grateful to you guys who watch my videos, who subscribe to my channel, leaves feedback, and also thank you for the sweet messages that you send me through Instagram, and I read all the feedback that you leave on my videos, and this makes me so happy that you like my videos, and it gives me more motivation to do more and more. So thank you guys so much. Today's video I'm going to try and review June BOXYCHARM, and well, I've opened the box and saw the beauties, what is inside, but I haven't tried them on. I want to do it with you guys as usual. Let's go. We got this card. It's a BOXYCHARM Getaway. It's like in pinky green colors. It's like a summer vacation colors, and here I got all the products details, what I got, and the prices. So now let's go to and see the products. So the first thing that I got is this face mask. It's Purelisse or Purelisse. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. Oh my god, I really say that in every videos because I don't really know how to pronounce anything. So it's Purelisse or Purelisse. Sheet mask. It's a matcha green tea antioxidant sheet mask. It's moisturizing and rejuvenating, and it's for all skin types. So first I'm gonna be trying this mask, and then I'm gonna show you the other products that I got. Well, I'm gonna just use my skincare headband because it's easier for me to like apply mask when my hair is not like on my face. So let's open it. Well, it has this easy open here, so I'm gonna open it from here. It's like a gel inside. Oops. I hope I didn't, yeah. Okay. Here is the mask. Oh, it's so wet. Okay. Actually, I don't really use the sheet masks, but I'm gonna try now. Ooh. The feeling is so good. It's so cool. And it's hot now, and I feel so good now because oh, and it applied so easily, it like attached to my skin. I had to wait like for 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna remove it and show you the result. Oh, I can hardly talk. Okay, it's already 20 minutes, so I'm peeling it off now. It feels so good. My skin is so moisturized and hydrated now. Feeling is amazing, and smell is so good. It's like a green tea smell, and I love it. Well, I have left two, and I'm so happy that I have more because I'm gonna be using this definitely because my face feels so good now. It's so hydrated and moisturized, and I love it. The thing that I got is this No 4 Glam. It's a prime essence, and it's, let's see what it does. How to use. At the last step of skincare, apply moderate amount and gently pat over the skin until it's fully absorbed. As I guess it's like a serum because it has this dropper here. So watery. It's so like watery. but it's not too much oily and I like it. Smells good. I don't exactly know what it smells, but it's like it has like a soft perfume in it and I like it. Well, I can say that it really hydrated my skin and I don't feel like any special things, but it really made my face smooth. By far, I really like this prime essence. So now I'm gonna do my makeup. Like, I'm gonna apply my BB cream and then I'm gonna show you the other products. So I'm gonna be using my BB cream. It's Guerlain Lingerie Debut, my favorite BB cream. Well, I'm gonna do contour really quickly, and I'm gonna be using my Smashbox foundation stick, contour and foundation stick. For my concealer, I'm gonna use my NARS Cosmetics concealer. This is the best concealer I can say. Now I'm gonna bake it. Oh, and I'm using my Kylie Cosmetics baking powder in the shade Translucent. So the next product that I got in my BOXYCHARM is this Tarte High Performance Natural Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm so happy because natural colors are like my colors, like nude colors, especially for the eyes. So I was super excited. Look at the design, it's so cool. It's like it's like a palm leaves and the purple and blue shades. The design gold is so pretty, and here are the colors. Oh, I'm gonna remove the plastic, and here it smells so good. It's like a vanilla smell, my favorite. Okay, so I have here 4 glitter like shimmery shadows, and I have 4 matte shadows, and I love all the colors, I can say. So now I'm gonna try and do my eye makeup from this palette. So the first shade that I'm going to try is this shade. It's called Crystallized, to like do my eye base. It's like a very natural nude, like a light nude color. Well, I love this brand so much. I use several products of Tarte and I really love their quality. I use their lipsticks and I really love this eyeshadow palette, and I think it's gonna be my go-to palette from this day. It's so natural color. Now I'm gonna go and use this dark shade. It's called Daybreak. Well, I hope I'm saying the shades correctly because it says in the behind. So this dark shade should be Explore. Yeah, I'm gonna use the dark shade Explore. Wait, I think it's gonna be too dark, so I'm gonna mix like these 2 shades, this dark and the brown is Daybreak, like the light brown, and I'm gonna do it in my outer corner. So pretty. I'm gonna do like Oh, and I can say it's really pigmented palette. So now I'm gonna use this shade. It's called Earthy. This is pretty nude, like brownish nude color. And I'm gonna do here. It's a gloss. It's like a shimmery shade, so pretty. Well, all the colors are so neutral, so nudie. I really love it. Now I'm gonna go with this shade again. It's a Daybreak, and I'm gonna do it under my eyes, just to like define my eye. Not bad. I love it. It's so natural shades that you can use it like everyday wear because it's so natural and so nudie. So now I'm gonna go with this color, this latest shade. It's called Tropical, and I'm gonna apply it under my brows, like to define my brow line. And this is so pretty shimmery color. I'm gonna apply some in my tear dots here. Why not? And I'm gonna apply my other eye. As I said, it's so pigmented. I love how it's pigmented because it like blends very easily and applies so smoothly. Well, I really fell in love with this palette. Yeah. Well, as I have eyelash extensions, I'm gonna brush my eyelashes just to give it a shape. Oh, I love my eyelashes so much. If you have seen my previous videos, I have the whole vlog where I made my eyelashes, these pretty eyelashes, so check them out definitely. I love them so much. I wish I was born with these eyelashes. So this is my eye look using this eye palette, and I really love it. It's so pigmented and these neutral colors are so nice and pretty. It's like everyday colors, as I said, and I think I'm gonna be using it like daily for the like natural, no makeup look. Next that I got is this Dominique Cosmetic lip gloss. So pretty, so gorgeous. The packaging, I love the pink packaging, and the shade is Strawberry Lemonade. So pinky, and then it smells really like strawberry. So now I'm gonna apply my lip liner first, and then I'm gonna apply the gloss. So for my lip liner, I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in the shade Pillow Talk. It's a like really natural pinky shade, and it's really near to my lips. I don't love when I apply the gloss directly on my lips if I don't have lip liner, so I just overline my lips with the lip liner. Okay. I love the smell. as I said, I'm not like a lip gloss girl. I love more matte lipsticks, but I don't know, by far I like this lip gloss. And I love the smell so much. It's like a strawberry shake smell. I want to eat the lip gloss. And what I like is that it's not tacky. My lips are not tacky and it applied so smoothly. I really love it. Okay, and the last thing that I have left is Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. Okay, it's like a... Woo! It's so pigmented. Oh my god. Look. So pigmented. Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna use my Iconic London highlighter brush to use this highlighter. So it's like a, it's not like a powder, it's like more creamy consistency, and it's so pigmented. Oh my god. Ooh. I love it. Oh my god. So glowy. Wow. Wow, this highlighter is really good. It's so creamy and it applies so smoothly. And as you know, I adore highlighters. I love. This is the final look of my makeup today using a BOXYCHARM June Box, and I can say that I'm really satisfied with the product, and by far they are really good. I really loved all of them, I can say. So now I'm going to tell you the prices of these goodies that I got. So the Tarte eyeshadow palette is $36, so 36 we got. So the for this prime essence was $23. Lemonade lip gloss that I really loved, it's $17, and the highlighter $26. And the last thing, this Pearl's matcha green tea mask was $24. So together it's $126. And I think it's a great deal because I got all of this for $21. So I can say that I'm saying in every videos of BOXYCHARM reviews that I really love this box. And you know what I love? I love the expectation. And every time when the month starts, there's our sneak peeks on the Instagram stories, and I love to watch the sneak peeks, and then I love the expectation of what I'm getting. And usually I always get the things that I want to get, and I'm so happy because they have like a survey on their website. It's like a quiz, and you just choose what is better for you, like what skin type you have, what color you prefer, and they just send the product that like suits your needs and that you love. And I love this so much, and thank you so much BOXYCHARM for this. So I can't wait to get my July BOXYCHARM, and but for now I think this is it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. If you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!